Hey guys, welcome back to our channel How To Guide. So in today's video I'm going to show you how you can see your Snapchat password if you forgot it. But before we get to that, please consider subscribing to our channel for more videos like this one, and also hit the bell icon so you do not miss any more updates from us. So now let's get started with the video. So what you'll do is first you open up the Snapchat app. So once you open the Snapchat app, here you have the forgot your password option. So what you can do is just click on the forgot your password option, and you can choose how you want to reset your password via phone or email, and they will send you a code on either your phone or an email. You'll enter that, you'll reset your password, and you'll be able to get back into your account. But if you do not want to do this, what you can do is you go to your settings app in both your iOS and Android, and here you will search for password manager. So here you can see password manager, and I have many different accounts. You'll see if the password is linked to your account on your phone. So I have many account passwords saved to my phone here, saved to this account, linked with this account. And if you want to check if you have Snapchat linked and Snapchat password linked with your account as well. So most probably you will have it. And also in iPhones, you have the password option in the settings, and you have your Snapchat password saved to your phone, which makes this recovery very easy. So that's how you'll see your Snapchat password if you forgot it on Snapchat. So that's how you do it, guys. I hope this video was of help to you. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please leave a like if you've liked it, and please don't forget to subscribe to our channel. And thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.